At Lexus, our commitment to help save lives and reduce highway injuries from collisions has led to the ongoing development of the Lexus Safety System Plus, an integrated suite of advanced active safety features that became standard across the entire Lexus vehicle lineup in 2021. Some Lexus models are now equipped with the next phase of the LSS Plus evolution, Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes additional and enhanced features to assist the driver and protect other road users. To that end, the system's camera and millimeter wave radar sensors have been optimized to expand their detection capabilities for vehicles, pedestrians, bicyclists, and road markings, in an effort to enhance the safety of our guests and others who share the road. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 is anchored by the PreCollision System, which includes forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, as well as several key new active safety features, including daytime and low-light vehicle, pedestrian, and bicyclist detection. This feature is engineered to help detect a preceding vehicle, pedestrian, or bicyclist in front of the Lexus under certain conditions. If it determines that a potential frontal collision is imminent, audible and visual alerts will be activated, warning the driver to take avoiding action. If the driver does not brake in time, the brake system will automatically activate the brakes to mitigate the impact of a collision or even bring the vehicle to a stop. The PreCollision system also includes left turn oncoming vehicle detection and braking. When performing a left turn at an intersection, the system may detect an oncoming vehicle and provide audio-visual alerts and automatic emergency braking in certain conditions. In addition, when turning either right or left at an intersection, the system can detect oncoming pedestrians crossing the road and provide automatic braking if required in certain conditions. Another new feature of LSS Plus 3.0's PreCollision system is Risk Avoidance Emergency Steer Assist, which is designed to stabilize the driver's emergency steering maneuver while avoiding a pedestrian, bicyclists, or another vehicle within the driving lane. Emergency Steer Assist can provide additional steering assistance to correct the vehicle's trajectory and keep it within its lane. For additional information about Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 operation, settings, adjustments, limitations, and precautions, please refer to your Lexus Owner's Manual. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.